Welcome again to Fun with Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. 16 to the power of m plus 20 to the power of m is equal to 25 to the power of m. Find m. So here's the solution. First, let's bring down the given equation. 16 to the power of m plus 20 to the power of m equals 25 to the power of m. Now next is, let's divide both sides with 25 to the power of m. So 25 to the power of m divided by 25 to the power of m divided by 25 to the power of m. And then, for the base 16, we can write it as 4 squared whole to the power of m over, for the base 25, we can write it as 5 squared whole to the power of m. And plus this 20, we can split this into 4 times 5 and whole to the power of m over this 25, we can split that into 5 times 5 whole to the power of m equals, now 25 to the power of m divided by 25 to the power of m, this is equal to 1. And then next, this 5 over 5, we can cancel this. So now we have 4 squared whole to the power of m over 5 squared whole to the power of m plus 4 to the power of m over 5 to the power of m equals 1. Now next is, we can write this by following the rule of a power. We have a to the power of x over b to the power of x, which is also equal to a over b whole to the power of x. So now let's write it as 4 over 5 whole to the power of 2, same as whole to the power of m plus 4 over 5 whole to the power of m equals 1. Now next is, we can let 4 over 5 whole to the power of m be equal to x. So to write, and then next is, we can interchange the power to a power. By following this rule, we have a over b whole to the power of x, and then whole to the power of y equals a over b to the power of y whole to the power of x. So for this, we can write it as 4 over 5 to the power of m whole to the power of 2 plus 4 over 5 to the power of m equals 1. And then we can let 4 over 5 whole to the power of m be equal to x. So now we can write it as x squared plus x equals 1. And then next is, we can take 1 to the other side, so the right side will be equal to 0. So this is now x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. Now for this is a quadratic equation. We can use the quadratic formula in getting the values of x. But before that one, let's identify the values of a, b, and c. For a, that is 1. For b, that is 1 also. For c, that is -1. Now, using the quadratic formula, we have x is equal to -b, positive negative square root of d squared minus 4ac over 2a. And then x is equal to negative times b, that is 1, positive negative square root of b squared, that is 1 squared, minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is -1, all over 2a, so that is 2 times 1. And then next, x is equal to negative times 1, that is -1, positive, negative square root of 1 squared, that is 1, negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, that is positive 4. Pull over 2 times 1, that is 2. And now this is x is equal to negative 1, positive, negative, square root of 1 plus 4, that is 5, all over 2. Now for this, since we let 4 over 5 whole to the power of m be equal to x, we can use this to get the value of m. So we have first value, which is negative 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. We don't include the negative because this is a complex solution. So only the positive. So we have 4 over 5 whole to the power of m equals negative 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now for this, we can use the special logarithm. So now this is m is equal to ln, or the special logarithm, of negative 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 whole over ln, or the special logarithm, of 4 over 5. And this is approximately m is equal to 2.15651. And this is our final answer. Again, m is equal to 2.15651. Therefore, the value of m that will satisfy to the given equation is 2.15651. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Funnily Maths.